If you remember one idea from this whole channel, make it this one. Scope safe and algorithm safe are the same thing. Here's why that changes everything. We've spent these videos on what feels like two separate fears. Will I cross my scope and risk my license? And will the platforms bury or flag my work? Two anxieties, two sets of rules, twice the guessing. But walk back from all of it. The claims that cross your scope, treating, curing, promising outcomes, diagnosing, are the same claims that the platforms suppress. The wording that keeps you compliant is the wording that keeps you visible. They were never two problems, they were one. And once you see that, the whole thing gets quieter because now you're not managing two rule books and hoping that you guessed right. You learn one way of speaking, scope safe, and it carries you everywhere. Your posts, your captions, your client documents, and your videos. Built safe from the first word instead of written in fear and checked afterwards. That's the shift that I want for you, from writing scared and deleting half of it to writing freely because you built safety in from the start. That's not a smaller way to work. It's a much bigger one. The free 3-question scope check is in the description, and it's where you start. And if you want the full framework, the complete system for building scope safe from the ground up, that's what my course, Knowing the Line, is for. But start with the free tool. It does more than you'd expect. One way of speaking, safe everywhere. That's the whole idea. I'll see you in the next one.